Hello all and welcome to this AWS tutorial. In our tutorial today, I will provide a brief overview on AWS Key Management Service. Let us begin this tutorial with what is AWS Key Management Service or KMS. KMS is a fully managed service that enables you to manage cryptographic keys from either the AWS console or AWS SDK or AWS CLI. KMS acts as a single control point to manage keys consistently across AWS services and your own applications. KMS keys are never shared outside the AWS region in which they are created. Now, this particular point is absolutely critical. Why? Because it is one of the favorite questions of a lot of interviewers, right? So let's say if you go for an interview, you could be potentially asked a pointed question, right? Like, hey, how will you share KMS key, your KMS key, let's say with another team that is working in a different AWS region, right? So that kind of a pointed question can be asked to you. And you can only answer this question if you have worked with KMS or you've read through the documentation, because it is not possible to do that. Now, of course, I can make it as a trick question and say that, okay, let's say if the team was within the same region, right? Do you think you will be able to still share your KMS key with that particular team? Then the answer to that question is yes. So remember this, right? This point is absolutely critical. The fourth point, that is this one, this is equally important as well, and you will see why. AWS KMS is integrated with AWS CloudTrail to provide audited access. So what does this mean? This means that whenever you access AWS KMS keys, right, a log is going to be generated and that access is going to be logged in CloudTrail. So not only this is a best practice, right? You should definitely do this because you want to keep a tab on who is accessing these keys, when these keys were accessed and whatever other information that you can potentially get. Now, of course, these logs are available to you, and typically this is done for regulatory and compliance reasons. But otherwise, as well, do this as a best practice, right? Even if you don't have compliance needs or anything of that sort, there's no requirement like that. Still go ahead and do that, because if something goes wrong, right, or if your project goes into an audit, then you will be able to tell them that, yes, we are doing this. AWS KMS is a secure and a resilient service that uses hardware security modules that have been validated under FIPS 142. Now, what is this FIPS? FIPS is nothing else but the Federal Information Processing Standard Publication 142. Now, basically, you can just go online and even Google this, but essentially FIPS is nothing else but a US government computer society standard that basically approves cryptographic modules. For example, KMS, right? KMS is a cryptographic module that manages cryptographic keys. So that's why this particular standard becomes very important. KMS also provides an option to store your keys in a single tenant hardware security module or HSM. For example, Cloud HSM. Now, I have not covered Cloud HSM yet, but feel free to read through the documentation and you will see this particular point. Let us now look at the benefits of KMS. Of course, you already know that this service is fully managed. It offers centralized key management. You can manage encryption across your AWS services as well as to encrypt your custom application data. It provides you audited access, and this particular service is compliant with most known compliance standards. And most importantly, it is low cost, right? So it's not very expensive service, and you will see why. And with that, we will go to pricing. Now, I have mentioned the pricing information over here, right? But I will encourage you to visit the website, okay, online, and check the latest and the greatest pricing information. Whenever I was creating this video, this information was available. So I have put it over here for your reference, but do check the pricing on online, right? Because it changes on regular basis. So right now there is no commitment and no upfront charges for AWS KMS, right? You only pay $1 a month to store any key that you create, AWS managed keys that are created on your behalf are free to store. You are charged per request when you manage your keys beyond the free tier. But the free tier itself has, approximately 20,000 free KMS service requests each month. So I think if you are a small business, you are not accessing these keys very frequently, you will be okay with free tier, right? Otherwise, you will have to pay charges per request. So guys, I hope that you like this particular video. Do check out this service, right? It's one of the important services that you should know, because considering that we live in a cyber world now with COVID-19 and everything is online, it's important that there is adequate amount of security and encryption in your application as well as for your application data. So guys, do post your feedback. And this is it from me today. I will see you shortly in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.